Delhi, and I'm very very happy कि इस साल 25th year of ITA के jury के chairman अनिल हैं. So I welcome on behalf of ITA and अनिल जो है काफ़ी दिनों से मैं चाहता था कि एक ऐसा एक्टर जिसने हर तरह का सिनेमा किया है, सीरियस सिनेमा भी किया है, कमर्शियल सिनेमा भी किया है, इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा भी किया है, और इन टेलीविजन ऑल्सो. When he did OTT, he made one of the most talked about OTT program called 24 Hours, and we were lucky to have him on platform on IT platform for 24 hours also. So yeah, so that's the introduction, and इसके बाद अनु, let's call the jury.
Don't let Anil say.
Yeah, we have
two
questions.
Yeah. Should we call the entire jury?
Yeah, why not?
That's important.
I'll call everybody. Yeah. Shut that door.
But meanwhile, till the jury comes, Shashi ji, we want to know about ITA. It's 25th year, it's special. We have the chairman, Anil ji, this year of the jury. Sounds really, really special. Is for 25th year, what is are we expecting?
हर तरह की साल की तरह इस बार भी हम चाहते हैं कि जो बेस्ट प्रोग्राम्स हैं, जो बेस्ट टैलेंट है, जिन्होंने इस साल बहुत मेहनत से काम किया है, उनको उनका अवार्ड मिले. और जहाँ तक एंटरटेनमेंट का सवाल होता है तो हर साल कोशिश यही होती है कि पिछले साल से कुछ ज़्यादा बेहतर, कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा किया जाए. इट्स अ कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड, सो यू हैव टू कीप इम्प्रूविंग योरसेल्फ. तो इस बार भी हमारी कोशिश ये है कि जितना अच्छा हम लास्ट टाइम परफॉर्म कर पाए थे उससे कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म करें. और आपको जान के खुशी होगी इस बात की कि पिछले 5 साल से ITA जो है, एक सेकंड, पिछले 5 साल से ITA जो है वो परफॉर्म बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ TRP. और TRP हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अबाउट 3. So yes, we are.
So there's a big shift. We are moving to Jio this year.
जी, हम चाहते थे कि 25वें साल में कुछ ऐसी जगह पे करें जो अपने आप में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और आइकॉनिक हो. इसलिए जियो कन्वेंशन सेंटर के अंदर वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट हॉल जहाँ वी कैन सीट्स अराउंड 7,000-8,000 पीपल, वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द ITA अवार्ड.
Absolutely. You 25th year is a very, very special year. You just mentioned that we have the chairman Anil ji. What would you like to say?
Nothing. We welcome him and I welcome all the jury members, and I'm glad everybody is here with us. And we look forward to seeing everyone at the 25th year of the ITA Awards.
Anil ji, a few words from you.
Well, all I can say is, I've been watching from, me and Shashi go back, I think almost 40-45 years. We've been friends and, we've been colleagues, actors, and I've been watching him grow this award so sincerely and honestly, with a lot of integrity. And I can, you see what happens, you can feel it, that it's actually really, really done in a very truthful and honest way. So when he asked me to be the chairman, I was really happy. And otherwise, I'm, unless I don't trust people, I'm not going to, be the chairman or whatever. Obviously, it's the jury which is going to, and when I came to the jury members, I said these are the right jury members to decide who's the winner and who deserves to get the award. Not that all the participants are worthy of it, because that's the reason they've been nominated. So I congratulate them also, and obviously who are the winners will be announced on the what's the date?
17th December.
17 December. So 17 December is we're going to announce who the winners are. So I'm really looking forward to congratulate them in person. But I congratulate both of you all for it's his 25th year, right?
75th.
So well, I'm so happy, and it's a privilege and an honor to be the chairman for
Absolutely.
this.
It's very good to have you.
Anilji, how does it feels like you are
Sorry?
chairing a
It's not
prestigious
about me.
award?
Now let the jury members come, let them speak. Come, please come.
Can you push this chair back and put some chairs here, guys? Yeah. I'll just
Okay.
Shashi ji, ये कुर्सी को
इसको आगे ले लें.